man's punishment. It is his reward and his strength and his pleasure. Good morning, dear students. How are you all doing? What is the date today and what is so special about it? Today is 1st of May and this special morning make us realize that privilege to work is a gift, the power to work is a blessing, and that love of work is success. Dear students, 1st of May is celebrated as Labor Day. 1st of May is celebrated as Labor Day. Now, as you all know that this day is of annual and national acknowledgement towards the efforts, dedication, devotion, loyalty and achievements of all the laborers. Therefore, I can say that this day has a great importance in every country as it is the celebration for the working class, for the workforce. Now children, we always celebrate Labor Day in our school. Do you remember? And the helpers at the school receive gifts from the management. Yes children, it is a day that we should take to thank our helpers. We should always respect them, dear children. We should not pass orders on to them. We should request for favors politely. We should not be rude to them. Now, from time to time, what you can do, you can give them gifts, some utility items or old clothes or money, whatever you can to make them happy. And whenever you meet them, you should always wish them. Now, as we are celebrating Labor's Day, today let's take a time off from studies and make studies a little fun. So, today I am going to teach you how to learn addition and subtraction while playing. And it is such a game that your parents will also love to see you playing these games. Now children, this is a game where you will learn addition and subtraction. How to play this game? What you need is a sheet of paper, a dice and a pen or a pencil to write. So, how will you play? You can take any number of players. There can be any number of players and you can take any number of turns. Now, let's start. One way of playing this game is you take a dice and throw the dice. The first player will throw the dice once. The score is 3. The first player will write 3. Ask the first player to take another turn. Now the score is 4. So, the first player will write 4. Now, both the scores of the first turn will be added. 3 plus 4 is 7. Now, ask the second player to take turn. Now, ask the second player to roll the dice. The score is 5. Take another turn. The score is 1. You will write 1. And 5 plus 1 is 6. Children, you can take as many turns as you wish to. Now, second turn for the first player. Ask the first player to throw the dice. The score is 4. Throw the dice once again. The score is 3. Write 3. Oh my God, once again 7. Now it is the second player's turn. Throw the dice once. The score is 3. The second player will throw the dice once more. Now this time the score is 6. And 3 plus 6, we will add and write the score. 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay, you can take as many turns, but for now, let me total and see who is the winner. 7 plus 7. The first player scored 14. If it is difficult for you to add, you can draw lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Counting them together makes 14. Now what is the second player's score? 6 plus 9. 6 lines. Then 9 lines. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 and 9 makes 15. The second player won because here the score is 15 and here the score is 14. Now let's play this game another way. Now same way, the first player will throw the dice once. What is the score? The score is 1. Now ask the first player to throw the dice once more. Now this time the score is 4. Children, here what you will do, here you will first throw the dice twice and then write the score. The greater number first and the smaller number afterwards or later. So we will write 4 minus 1. Children, you know, while playing this game, how many things you are learning? You are learning to compare the numbers. You are learning to know how that 4 is bigger than 1. So 4 minus 1, subtracting, what is the final score? 3. Now it's the second player's turn. Ask the second player to take 2 turns. 1, what is the score? 1. And once more. This time the score is 2. So you will write the greater number first, which is 2, and the lesser number later, which is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. The final score is 1. Now it's the first player turn. The first player will throw the dice twice. 1, the score is 3, and second time the score is 1. So how we will write? Compare the numbers. 3 is greater. So 3 first and then later we will write 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. This time the score is 2. Now the second player will take his turn. Throw the dice once. The score is 5. Now the second turn. The score is 5 again. So 5 minus 5. And you know 5 minus 5, the same number subtracted. So what will be the answer? 0. Now you can take as many turns as you wish. But for now, let me total and see what is the total score here. The first player scored 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So the total score is 5. And here the total score is 1. This time the first player won. Now children, I will tell you one very interesting thing about the dice that I used. Now, this is not a normal dice. This is a dice that I made for you with slime. This is colored slime and I used it to make a dice for you. See, I have made this dice. Now I will show you how to show numbers on this. So for 1, you can show 1 dot. For 2, 2 dots. Now this side, if it is 1, children, you know the opposite sides, the numbers on the opposite sides of a dice always adds up to 7. So if it is 1 on this side, the opposite side there are 6 numbers.